Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about a few banknotes from Nepal. The first banknote is a 5 rupee. In the front of this banknote you can see a picture of King Birendra, and you also see a picture of the Leju temple, and next to that you see the seal of the Bank of Nepal. To the top it says Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank, and at the bottom it says Rupaya Punch. To the back of this banknote you can see a picture of two mountain yaks, and behind these yaks you can see a picture of Mount Everest, and next to that you see the monogram of the King of Nepal. To the bottom it says Rupaya Punch, or rupees 5. The next banknote from Nepal is a 5 rupee. In the front of this banknote you see a picture of Mount Everest, and you see the picture of the Teleju temple. It's a Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank to the top and Rupaya Punch to the bottom. You see the monogram of the National Bank of Nepal. To the back of this banknote you see a picture of two mountain yaks, and behind them you see the picture of Mount Everest. Here is another 5 rupee banknote. It's basically the same as the previous version, however it is uncirculated. The last 5 rupee banknote is the newer series of 5 rupees. It's just a minor change. In the front you see a picture of the Mount Everest, and you see a picture of the Kashtamap temple. At top it says Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank and Rupaya Punch, and you see the monogram of the Nepal Rashtra Bank. To the back of this banknote you see a picture of a mountain yak, and behind it you see a picture of Mount Everest. The next denomination from Nepal is a 10 rupee. Here is the first 10 rupee banknote. In the front of this banknote you see a picture of King Birendra, and then to the middle of this banknote you see a picture of the Garuda. It says Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank, Rupaya Dash, which means the National Bank of Nepal, and rupees 10. And to the side you see the monogram of the National Bank of Nepal. To the back of this banknote you see a picture of 3 black bucks, and next to them is the monogram of the King of Nepal. You don't find these nowadays because monarchy has been demolished and democracy has been established. The next banknote from Nepal is a 10 rupee. In the front of this banknote you see a picture of Mount Everest, and next to that you see a picture of the Garuda. It says Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank and Rupaya Dash, and next to that you see the monogram of the Nepal Rashtra Bank. To the back of this banknote you see a picture of 3 black bucks. Here is another 10 rupee from Nepal. It's again basically the same as compared to the previous one, however this one is uncirculated. A little bit of circulation has happened, but its brand is new. The last 10 rupee banknote is the newer 10 rupee banknote from Nepal. In the front of this banknote you see a picture of Mount Everest and a picture of the Garuda. To the top it says Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank and Rupaya Dash. And you also see the monogram of the National Bank of Nepal or the Nepal Rashtra Bank. To the back of this banknote you can see a picture of an antelope. The last banknote from Nepal is a 50 rupee banknote. In the front of this banknote it says Sri Nepal Rashtra Bank and Rupiah 50, which translates to 50 rupees and the National Bank of Nepal. Nepalese is very similar to Hindi, and that is why the translations become extremely easy. To the middle of this banknote you see a picture of the Rama Janaki temple, and to the side you see a picture of Mount Everest. To the top you see the emblem of the Nepal Rashtra Bank or the National Bank of Nepal. To the back of this banknote you can see a picture of the male Tar on a mountain range, and you see the word rupees 50 and Nepal Rashtra Bank. So here are some banknotes from Nepal. You have a lot of them. They look pretty cool. So now let's just calculate the amount of money we have from Nepal. So this is about rupees 20, and this is about rupees 40. So we totally have 60 rupees as of now. Along with this it becomes 110. 110 Nepali rupee is equal to 65 Indian rupees, or probably less than $1. However, if it comes to collector's value, the prices can increase depending on your location. So here are some banknotes from Nepal. Thanks for watching.